This is the Kärcher K2 pressure washer. This is the entry level in the Kärcher series, hence one of the most popular. So it's perfect for home use, light use. Some professionals could even use this for cleaning cars or whatever, but it's designed for casual home use and it's powerful enough to handle most of the chores that you need a pressure washer for in the house, whether it's for cleaning patios, chairs outside, garden furniture, cars, windows, etc. The pressure this baby can put out is between 20 to 110 bars. The water flow is 360 liters per hour and the power is 1,400 watts. So it's a little bit more powerful actually than its main competitor, the Bosch Aquatac 110. I'm going to do a video comparing the two side and side, their pros and cons, but I'm just going to go through the main features of this beautiful device and why I love it so much and some pros and cons. Okay, so I've told you about the specs. So straight away, you can see that it stands in an upright position. So in use is actually more practical than a lot of the other types of pressure washers that don't have this form factor. Okay, it's got the tires that allows you to sort of wheel it around while you're using it. The cable is long enough, even though some people say that it could be a little longer. And it's got this bit here where you can actually tie and store away the cable, which is very handy. So you don't have it just, you know, littering the place and causing a hazard, but it is long enough. Another feature of this that I really like is this. So this handle allows you to adjust that to your height, so it makes it easier to move around. So this thing is built for mobility while you're cleaning, while some others might be built for more compact storage. So the form factor here is more vertical. So even though the volume that it occupies is sort of similar to, say, the Aquatac that I just mentioned, the way that volume is arranged is for more ergonomic movement while you're actually in the process of cleaning. Right, so it comes with several accessories that also store away on the body of the device itself. This is the gun nozzle that accepts the pressure washer hose. The pressure washer hose that it comes with is very, very long, and that addresses a lot of the issues with some of the other pressure washers that people complain about. These can be bought obviously separately or third party. Make sure you buy the correct ones with the adequate pressure resistance. And this is very, very long, and I find that very, very handy while I'm cleaning to be able to get away from the actual device so that the water doesn't come onto the device itself. So that's a big plus. It comes with different nozzles for your jobs, the dust blaster, and I can't remember what this one is called, but this one does like the rotating movement. The water comes out in that rotating movement, while this one varies the angle of the water that comes out. They're both quite long and they fit into this nozzle, and together they're long enough to clean at a distance, a car, the patio, what have you. Now, this device comes with a pre-installed water filter, and that is in the device. This bit here is where you connect your hose that goes to the gun nozzle, and the filter ensures that you don't get particles being blasted at your car, for instance, that cause a lot of damage. And on the back here, you have where the input is. This is where the water from your hose goes into the machine before it gets pressurized and blasted out to the world. If you're going to be cleaning a lot of patios and large surface areas, then you can opt for the home kit version, which includes a surface cleaner. Okay, as you can see there, it's a rotating surface cleaning nozzles in there, and that allows you to clean a wider surface at a time. Also, it guards the water coming out so that it doesn't come flying at you. And also it comes with an extension, and then you connect the gun to it that way. So it becomes a nice, ergonomic, easy to use and convenient surface cleaner. The home kit also comes with a patio deck cleaner. So this is ready to use, no need to mix. And if you look at the top there, it's already built in with compatibility. So no need to buy any external connectors, no adapters. You basically just pull this out and connect it to this and you're off to the races. Obviously, when this is finished, this is probably a reusable bottle for other things. So it's up to you what you do with that. I absolutely love this device. One of the cons that people complain about, of course, is that even though it's quite compact, storing on a shelf might not be the best because you have to lean it horizontally. And it's not designed to compactly fit in a shelf like, say, the Aquatac 110. but it is designed to, be put away in the corner in your shed or in your garage or something like that. And it's extremely ergonomic while in use.